Hey Internet! Okay, I've been exploring crypto mining for about 6 years now, and recently I went on this massive research spree, like 42, maybe 48 hours straight, digging through everything. Crypto blogs, YouTube reviews, Reddit discussions, Discord servers, basically trying to separate what's actually working from what's total fake garbage. And guys, I'm completely exhausted, because what I kept finding is most people online are they're pushing straight up fraudulent platforms. In their content, everything appears seamless. You see proof of earnings and payouts, looks completely genuine, but then you go test it yourself and yeah, your funds just vanish completely. What really bugs me is there's barely any legitimate platforms left that do real cloud mining anymore, but a handful are still authentic, and cryptohash is one of those. So today I'm walking through the whole thing, the actual platform, how everything operates, so definitely stick with this.
Okay, first step, I select which cryptocurrency I want to mine here. I'm gonna choose TRX for this demo, but they support basically all the major ones. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, everything mainstream. All right, so next it needs my payout wallet. So let me grab Trust Wallet. So copying my address from here, switching back, pasting it into this box. Okay, now setting my target amount. I'll put in, like this. And next, this matters, choosing hash power. So this basically determines mining speed. You crank it up, finishes quicker, but costs more. Keep it lower, cheaper, but takes longer. So there's definitely a trade-off you gotta think about. I'm gonna set mine to, that medium setting looks reasonable. Cool, final thing, clicking start mining right now. Hitting it, and okay, we're live. You can see all the operations running here. Progress tracking, time estimates showing, everything. So now I'm just letting this complete.
And okay, that's done. Mining finished. And I've generated my tokens. So now I can either launch a fresh session or cash out what I made. But, important part, it requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawals. You can see it all broken down here. So yeah, keep in mind. Okay, just copying this address now. Then clicking I've paid, waiting for verification to complete. All right, so while this processes and I'm waiting for the tokens to hit my wallet, let me explain why this platform's actually trustworthy. I've personally tested maybe 8 different cloud mining sites over the past year and a half or so, and the scam formula is almost always the same. They process your first tiny withdrawal flawlessly to build trust. You think, great, this is working, so you invest more money for a bigger mining session. That's exactly when the trap springs. Either the platform suddenly goes into maintenance, or they demand unexpected security deposits, or support just completely disappears. I lost about $310 combined across 3 scam platforms before finding this one.
What makes cryptohash different is zero games. The infrastructure fee is stated up front and never changes. I've completed around 18 or 19 sessions now over the last 5 months, and every single one has been identical. No hidden costs, no surprise requirements, no account restrictions. Here's what I'd recommend for anyone. Diversify your withdrawal wallets. Don't send everything to the same wallet every time. Spread it across 2 or 3 different wallets. Why? Because if one wallet ever gets compromised or has issues, you haven't lost everything. It's basic risk management, but most people skip it. Anyway, if you're thinking about trying this platform, the link's in the description and comments section. Research it yourself, obviously, but this has been reliable in my experience. Thanks for watching. Later.